I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still.
All right, hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whatever time it is. Hope you're having a great day. So I am getting ready to go and do laundry so that way I can start my day. It's very late in the day, but I'm gonna start my day now. I'm gonna go do laundry and then I need to come home and pack for the day. I need to do my hair, I need to do my lashes, pretty much get myself around for my trip back home for the holidays. So I'm going to just take you guys with me. 1:16. I'm really having a late start to my day. I slept in a little too long, but it was needed because I stayed up super late trying to edit my last vlog. Still, I just put my clothes in the washer, so now I'm gonna sit in my car and edit some videos on my iPad while I wait for the laundry to be done.
You take off at 4:15.
Yeah. I am done with my laundry. I just arrived at Dollar General. I'm gonna run in here, grab a few things that I need, and then head home. It's 3:30 right now, and I'm just not liking, oh, bring it down. I'm just not liking this daylight savings time thing because it gets too dark. Like the sun feels like it's already about to set. Like it's the warm 5:30 golden hour, but it's only 3:30 right now. I feel like it's so late in the day. So I'm home, I'm finished with laundry. I just folded and put away everything. I am about to quickly, hopefully, paint my nails. These are literally just press-ons. Like, I did these last night. Focus. I did these last night. Focus. I'm gonna paint them with this. So I'm gonna do that quickly and then I'm going to get a shower and start straightening my hair. I think I'm gonna start packing tomorrow because it's already like, it's 5:30. I gotta work tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and I know it's gonna take a few hours for my hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna paint my nails quick. All right, I have my phone set up. I'm about to record. Just got out the shower. My hair is washed finally. It's drying. I'm gonna get the blow dryer and dry it out, start to straighten it. It's gonna be a long night.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
I have blow dried my hair. My hair is like so dry and it's just not the healthiest at the moment, but it's been a few years since I've straightened my hair. I can't even remember the last time I've done it, honestly, but I am going to get my hair cut. I'm gonna get a curly cut and I'm gonna chop it down some next month, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna straighten it one last time.
Meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the
Alright, I'm finally done straightening my hair. It's so long and took too long. I definitely need my ends trimmed, like really bad. Alright, I am checking out for the night. I'm going to bed. I need to work in the morning. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Bye. Okay, guys, it has been a whole day since I have last updated you. It's just been a lot going on. I didn't even get a chance to record at all yesterday. I didn't get packed. I did not do my lashes. None of that was done. I did paint my nails, but it was just a lot going on. So it's the next day. I did have to work today. I got off at 5. It is now going on 8:30. So that's great. But I'm just now about to start packing, but first I'm gonna eat dinner because I haven't even ate. I've had to run errands and help my mom. She had surgery yesterday. I'm not even gonna go into that, but long story short, I am now about to pack tonight and my flight is tomorrow. So whatever I don't get done today, I am gonna try and get done tomorrow. My flight isn't until 4 something. I need to be there obviously a little earlier, but I'm just gonna do what I can tonight and then do the rest tomorrow and hope for the best. So, but that's an update for now, so I'll see y'all. It is 12:10. I just finished packing. I still have last minute packing to do tomorrow, but I'm over it. I'm tired. I'm about to call it a night. I have pretty much everything in here, and then I am bringing my book bag. I'm about to call it a night. I'll update tomorrow. It is probably going on 9. Yeah, it's going on 9. I woke up around 8. I know I have a few last minute things to do, so I'm gonna do that and then head to the airport. So I'll update y'all soon.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular?
Back with an update. I am done packing finally. I am done with my lashes finally. It only took like 2.5 days. I am done with everything. I am about to head to the airport shortly. It always makes me super anxious going to the airport for some reason. I don't know. I just get really anxious, but I'm gonna be heading there and going back home soon. This is my hair right now. I finally feel a lot more put together now that I have my lashes on. I haven't had my lashes done in a while. I've just been doing mascara. I added a cute little curl, even though I doubt it's gonna stay because my hair has just been getting really frizzy and puffy. But it's cute. Got my bag packed. I will update y'all in a bit. I am done packing, done with my lashes, about to head to the airport pretty soon. So I will talk to y'all when I get there. Bye. So I am at the airport obviously, but I'm quite frustrated because my camera lens, something is going on with it, so I can't use my camera. I just tried to pull it out to record. I keep saying there's a lens function error or something. So that's that. Not to mention, I was going to sit here because I'm gonna be here for like another hour or so until I take off, until I board, and then take off. But I was gonna sit here and edit and also record on my camera. But since I was gonna sit here and edit, I needed my charger to sit here and edit, and I forgot my phone charger and my charger to my iPad. So it's great. I'm just like, ugh. Trying not to really stress about it, but at the same time, like, my whole thing was I was going to come here and edit. I was going to edit on the plane and try and get this process going. But I can't do that if my iPad dies quick, which I don't think it should. It's still new, but using an editing software, it's going to drain the battery. So there's that, as well as my phone charger. So yeah, it's great. So yeah. It's 2:44. I don't land home to Michigan until 7. I don't board until close to 4. So that's lovely. Hey guys, it is Thanksgiving Day, so happy Thanksgiving. I haven't really been able to update you guys much and get on here and talk. It's just been a lot going on, but I did make it. I'm here, I'm with my family, so I'm gonna just end this vlog. I might have a few more recordings where I'm just, you know, showing behind the scenes and whatnot, but for the most part, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. So I hope you guys have a great holiday. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to tune in another time.
Used to splash up when I dropped the turkey down in there. Yeah, that boy cooking at
Got the
right at
fried
300
turkey.
degrees right now.
Woo!
Yeah.
Excited for that. It smells so good.
The next station is Times Square. This is the West Riverfront.